Well, it's day one of the UAE SWAT Challenge here from sunny Dubai. Who is going to impress us? Who is going to go around this course? Moscow, the other Russian side, 219, Moscow police. So, yeah, great little competition going on amongst the Russian sides. Happy New Year, by the way, to those of you watching from China. I know it's coming up very soon. The Chinese New Year. What is it this year? Is it the horse this year? The year of the horse? Someone tell me. Next up, here at the UAE SWAT Challenge, it is Rwanda, RNP, SWAT Team 2. Rwanda last year, Team 2 went round in 2 minutes and 2 seconds, so that's the time to beat for these boys. Their personal target, of course. The time to beat this year is 128.3 from Kazakhstan C. The best Rwanda team time last year was 155.9. That was the SWAT Team 1 from Rwanda. So Rwanda National Police Force, certainly the Team 2 anyway, they will be hoping to come in under that 2-minute mark. And they're away. Up and over those wooden walls. At the base of the wooden walls, you can probably not see it very clearly, but there are little wooden ridges, just enough to get a toe on, but not really a step. Looks good so far. No issues for the sniper. Oh, comfortably done. They're through the breaching door, they're into the submachine gun pen. What we're watching at the moment is the shotgun assaulter, 1 shotgun assaulter, 3 with submachine guns. The sniper, meanwhile, he stays to finish off his challenges, his targets. And a lot of support for Rwanda. You can probably hear the cheering from behind me. Sniper dragging the first of those deadweight dummies across the finish line. This looks a very good time, by the way. It's not going to beat Kazakhstan C, but it should still comfortably be under the 2-minute mark that they achieved last year. 3 more assaulters make the run for home. And they cross the line in 148.1 for SWAT Team 2 of the Rwandan National Police Force. but it should still comfortably be under the 2-minute mark that they achieved last year. 3 more assaulters make the run for home, and they cross the line in 1:48.1 for SWAT Team 2 of the Rwandan National Police Force.